Hello everybody and welcome back. We're looking at question 16 now on the 2017 Pascal paper. A circular spinner is divided into 6 regions as shown. 4 regions have a central angle of x degrees. The remaining regions have central angles of 20 and 140 degrees. An arrow is attached to the center of the circle. The arrow is spun once. What is the probability that the arrow stops on a shaded region? Okay, so the probability that the arrow stops on the shaded region, well, how do we calculate probability? The total of the shaded regions divided by the total area period, yeah, we can do that, but with the angles is actually a much faster way to do this. Okay, so if we just copy this very briefly, x, 20, 140, and this is shaded, and this is shaded, and this is shaded. So the arrow spins result in the arrow being on an angle somewhere within 360 degrees. 360 degrees in the total circle. This is also, incidentally, how we're going to figure out what x is, because 360 is equal to 140 plus 20 plus 4 x's. We'll deal with that in a moment. But the probability that the arrow stops on an angle that lands it in sort of this shaded area is whether or not we have an angle value in this particular range. And what range is this? Well, this is a range of x angle values. This is x, and this is 140 of them. So the probability that we want to calculate is just the sum of the angles of the sectors that are shaded over the total angle sum, which is 360 degrees. So this is why we need to figure out what x is. Okay, so what is x? Well, 360 plus 140 plus 20, so that's 160 plus 4x. And we can rearrange 200, it's 360 minus 160, 200 is 4x. X is going to be equal to 50. So now we get 100 plus 140 is 360, so that's 240 over 360, and that's just 2/3. We can simplify that. I mean, the zeros obviously cancel 24 over 36, and you realize, oh, those both have factors of 6 or factors of 4, ultimately factors of 12. We get 2 over 3. So 2/3, and that is answer A. There we go. And we'll flip the page in anticipation of our next question. We'll move on to the next video to deal with 17. I'll see you guys there.